Take out a whiteboard, fix it on the desktop. Take a piece of blue clay, knead it into a ball, press it with your palm, and let it stick on the whiteboard. Press the yellow clay into pieces with your palm, stick it under the blue ball to make a belly. And stick black spots on the belly. Press the texture on the blue clay disc with a tool and stick it under the belly to make a fin. Make a big fish fin in the same way, stick it on the top of the ball, and stick the fish tail on the left side of the ball. Press out the eye socket with a tool. Knead it into a ball with white clay and put it on the eye socket. And attach the black ball to the eye. Then knead it into long strips with white clay and stick it on the fish in a wavy line to make stripes. Finally, press out the position of the mouth with a tool and stick it on the upper and lower lips with pink clay balls. Small fish is finished, come and try it.